Now we can check the R1 router. So the IP address and everything should be configured already. We can check. I have taken the snapshot. So we have to find out all the best path for 200.200.0 network as well as 100.100.100.0 network. So we can check in R1 router. So first of all, we have to find out the best path, means what we have to give. Show IP route means it will be displayed the routing table. So in routing table, the best path should be placed in the routing table. So show IP route. So this is an best path for reach 200.200.200.0/24 network as well as 100.100.100.0/30 network. Sorry, 30, not 24. So we can give topology table. In topology table only it will be present the successor and feasible successor value. Show IP EIGRP topology. Here we can see. So the value, so the 100.100.100.0/30. So the first value is an feasible distance and second value is an average distance. We can check in. So 100.100.100. So the feasible distance is 26624.000. Here we can see. So 26624.000. So the feasible distance is 9301248. So the average distance is 93013.428, but here 3. So if the calculations comes under decimal format, means the first 4 digits should be right, means then it's a no problem. So the first one is an average distance and second one is an first one is an feasible distance and second one is an average distance. So okay, next direct connector network means just we have to find out the feasible distance. So the feasible distance is 25856.000. Here we can see 25856.000. So in R1 router the metric value should be right. So this is the procedure for calculating the metric value. We can check the R2 router. In R2 router also already we can assign the IP address and configure EIGRP routing protocol. Just we have to check show IP route. We have to see the best path present in that table. So this is the best path to present in the routing table. We can check the topology table. In topology table only present the successor and feasible successor value. So in 100.100.100.0 the feasible distance is 9301248. Here we can see 9301348. Here 3. So if it is decimal format, means the first 4 digits should be right, means then it should be corrected. Here we can see 9301. Here also 39301. So it should be right. Next one direct connector network for R2 is 200.200. The value is 1. So 1.333.1.2.000. Here we can see 1.333.1.2.000. So second one also correct. Okay. So we can check the neighbor table. Show IP EIGRP neighbor table. So in neighbor table the router direct connector network should be presented in the neighbor table. Here we can see R2 router have 2 direct connector network, 200.200.200 and as well as 100.100.100. Here we can see. So show IP EIGRP neighbor. So it will distort the neighbor table. Here the direct connector network is 100.100.100 as well as 200.200.200. Next one, last router. In R3 router we have to see the best route. Show IP route. It will display the routing table. In routing table the best path should be placed. Next we have to give an topology table. In topology table it will present the successor and feasible successor value. So the 100.100.100 is a direct connector network. So the value is 7424.000. We can check 7424.000. Yeah, it's correct. Next one, the direct connector network is 200.200.200. The advertised distance and feasible distance is there. So we can check. So the first one is an feasible distance 1433600. Here we can see 1433600. Yeah, it's right. As well as we have to check out the adverse distance 1331200. 1331200. Yeah, this one also right. Next we have to check out the neighbor table. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. So in neighbor table the direct connected network is present in the table. So R3 router direct connected network is 100. So 100. Okay, so then everything we have to verify. So all of them are correct. So in routing table the best path should be placed in the routing table. Next one, neighbor table means the direct connected network should be placed in the neighbor table. Topology table, in topology table it will present the successor and feasible successor value. So thank you for watching my videos. For further updates subscribe my channel. Thank you.